बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। ये सूरह मारिज है और 70 नंबर ये सूरत है कुरान करीम की। 29वां सुपारा है। इसकी तलावत आपके सामने करता हूँ। आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। I seek refuge in Allah, from the devil, the accursed, in the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. Sa'ala sa'ilun bi'azabin waqi. A questioner questioned concerning the doom about to fall. Lil kafirina laysa lahu dafi'. Upon the disbeliever, which none can repel. Min Allah izil Ma'arij, from Allah the Lord of ascending stairways. Tarujul malaikatu war ruhu ilayhi fi yawmin kana miqdaruhu khamsina alfa sana, whereby the angels and the spirit ascend unto him in a day whereof the span is 50,000 years. Whereof the span is 50,000 years. Fasbir sabran jamila, be patient, O Muhammad, with a patience fair to see. Innam yarawnahu ba'ida wa narahu qariba. Lo, they behold it afar off, while we behold it nigh. Yawma takunu samau kal mul, the day when the sky will become a molten copper, as a molten copper. Atakunu al-jibalu kal ain, and the hills become as a flakes of wool. La yasalu hamimun hamima, and no familiar friend will ask a question of his friend. And no familiar friend will ask a question of his friend. Yubassarunahum, yuwaddul mujrimu law yaftadi min azabe yawma izin bebani. Though they will be given sight of them, the guilty man will long be able to ransom himself from the punishment of their day at the price of his children and and his spouse and his brother, and his kins that harbored him, and all that is in the earth, that it might deliver him. Allah innaha laza, but nay, for lo, it is the fire of the hell, naza'atan lishawa, eager to roast. Tadu man adbara wa tawalla, it calleth him who turneth and fled from truth. Wajama fawwa, and hoarded wealth and withheld it. Wajama fawwa, and hoarded wealth and withheld it. Innal insana khuliqa halu'a. Lo, man was created anxious. Iza massahu sharru jazua, fretful when evil befalleth him. Wa iza massahu sharru manuha, and when good befalleth him, grudging. Illal musallin, save worshippers. Allazina hum ala salatihim da'imun, who are constant at their worship. Wallazina fi amwalihim haqqun ma'lum, and whose wealth there is a right acknowledged. Lis-sa'ili wal mahrum, are the beggars and the destitute. Wallazina yusaddiquna bi yawmiddin, and those who believe in the day of judgment. Wallazina hum azabi rabbihim mushfiqun, and those who are fearful of their Lord's doom. Inna azaba rabbihim ghayru ma'mun, lo, the doom of their Lord is that before which none can feel secure. Wallazina hum li furujihim hafizun, and those who preserve their chastity إلا على أزواجهم أو ملكت أيمانهم فإنهم غير ملومين, save with their wives and those whom their right hand possess, for thus they are not blameworthy. فمن ابتغى وراء ذلك فأولئك هم العادون. But whoso seeketh more than that, those are they who are transgressors. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِأَمَانَاتِهِمْ وَعَهْدِهِمْ رَاعُونَ, and those who keep their pledges and their covenant. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ بِشَهَادَاتِهِمْ قَائِمُونَ, and those who stand by their testimony. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَلَى صَلَاتِهِمْ يُحَافِظُونَ, and those who are attentive at their worship. Those who dwell in the gardens. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ عَلَى صَلَاتِهِمْ يُحَافِظُونَ, and those who are attentive at their worship. أُولَٰئِكَ فِي جَنَّاتٍ مُكْرَمُونَ, these will dwell in the gardens honored. فَمَا لِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا قِبَلَكَ مُهْطِعِينَ, and well it those who disbelieve that they keep staring towards thee, O Muhammad, open-eyed, anil yameen wa shimal yazeen, on the right and the left in groups. Ayatma'u kullu mri'in minhum an yudkhala jannatin na'im, doth every man among them hope to enter the gardens of delight. Yudkhalu jannatin na'im, kalla inna khalaqnahum mimma ya'lamun, nay, verily, lo, we created them from what they know. Fala uqsimu bi rabbil mashariqi wal magharib inna laqadirun, but nay, swear by thy Lord, the rising places and the setting places of the planets, that we are able. Ala an nubaddila khairan minhum wa ma nahnu bimasbuqin, to replace them by the others better than them, and we are not to outrun. فَذَرْهُمْ يَخُوضُوا وَيَلْعَبُوا حَتَّى يُلَاقُوا يَوْمَهُمُ الَّذِي يُوعَدُونَ, so let them chat and play until they meet their day which they are promised. يَوْمَ يَخْرُجُونَ مِنَ الْأَجْدَاثِ سِرَاعًا كَأَنَّهُمْ إِلَى نُصُبٍ يُوفِضُونَ, the day when they come forth from the graves in haste, as racing to the goal. خَاشِعَةً أَبْصَارُهُمْ تَرْهَقُهُمْ ذِلَّةٌ ذَلِكَ الْيَوْمُ الَّذِي كَانُوا يُوعَدُونَ, with eyes aghast, abasement stupefying them, such is the day which they are promised. Sadaqallahul Azim, Sadaqa Rasulullah Nabi Kareem.